Hi, this is Team BITOffensive participating in Flipkart Grid-4.0, and the problem statement is blockchain-based e-commerce warranty system using NFTs. So as you can see, we have built an e-commerce platform which provides NFT-based warranties on all its orders to all the customers. To introduce the team, we have Nitish Kumar, Sai Shivanand, and Utsav Sinha, and we are all second-year students at Nitya Meenakshi Institute of Technology, Bangalore. So to get started, I'll be starting off by logging in. So as you can see, this is the login page, and I'll log in as a user. Just a second. All right. So I'm logging in as a user now. As you can see, this is the home page of the user, which should be seen. So here on top, we have the connect wallet option with which you can connect our MetaMask wallet to this site. So I'm going ahead and doing that. All right. So as you can see, our wallet is connected over here. All right. So now that our wallet is set up, we'll go ahead by placing an order. So I'll place this one. So this is our Dell laptop. For demonstration purposes, we have set the warranty to 1 day. So I'll be adding this to my cart. As you can see, it has been added to my cart. Now I'll proceed to checkout. So I've already saved my details like name and instructions and address over here. So I'll just save my address. So here you can see address has been saved successfully. Now I can go ahead with placing my order. Alright, so I'll just enter the test card number. Alright. Alright, so you can check my order status over here. It has been placed, and you can see over here all the details have been displayed over here in the user dashboard. Alright, so now we'll be moving on and logging in as an admin so that we can issue an NFT warranty for this user. So first I'll log out and I'll disconnect the wallet which we had over here because we had logged in as a user. So that I'll do it from here. Alright, so now we have disconnected. Now I connect my admin wallet. So yeah. So now my admin wallet is connected. Now I log in as an admin. Alright, just a second. Yeah, so we are already logged in the admin and we have directly come to the admin dashboard. So over here you can see there are two orders. This the above one had been placed before, and this is the most recent order which I placed just now, which you had seen. The name Sai Shivanand, and it had been placed at around 2:10:28 a.m. On August 1st. So the quantity is 1, and here we can see we can also download the invoice over here as well. So now I'll be going to issue the NFT warranty for this. So there's a section over here named NFT warranty. So here as well we can see there are two because this is the previous order and this is the current one which I placed right now. You can see over here there's the wallet address and also the IPFS hash generated. Alright, so before getting started with the minting process, I'll just explain how we are minting. So this is the user's wallet address from which the order has been placed, and this is the address at which we'll be minting the NFT warranty. Also, this is the IPFS hash, which is a unique hash which will enable us to access the metadata to be put in the warranty. So about this, we actually had two methods to go about. We could directly put this on the blockchain, which would cost a lot of gas fees, or we could use an IPFS. So we have used an IPFS to store the metadata temporarily from where we'll be generating the warranty later on. So I'll go ahead and mint this NFT. Alright, so it shows over there gas price under limit. So we have also enabled gas price check so that the admin does not have to spend exceedingly high amount of gas money. Alright, so there's a gas limit check so that it shows the gas limit is within range. If the gas limit exceeds the range, the transaction will be automatically declined, which will help save money of the admin. Alright, so here we can see all the details are here. I'll go ahead and confirm this. Alright, so here you can see mint done to address this one. So we have, as we have seen, the mint is already successful now. Also, I wanted to explain about this batch mint NFT option which you have given below. So here I have shown minting for a single NFT. We can also do this batch mint option, which will mint all the NFTs which are there over here in one go. Alright, since actually we have already minted the above NFT for the user, I haven't used the batch mint option right now. But this also works as well if there are multiple NFTs the admin wants to mint at once. Alright. So now I'll be moving on to the user page to check if this NFT has been minted. So I'll log out from my admin page and I'll disconnect my wallet. Alright, so now my wallet has been disconnected and now I'll connect it to my user page. Alright, now I've connected it to my user page and now I'll log in as a user. Alright, so I'm here in my dashboards. Now if I go to my NFT warranties, over here I can get all the NFTs that I have. So alright, I have two NFTs over here. This one is the product which I had ordered just now. As you can see, it's Dell XPS, and we have the product ID, serial number, warranty date, expiry date, as well as the purchase date. As you can see, it's showing here as valid. And this is a previous order which we had put in for a test. That's it. Alright, so I will go to OpenSea as well and I'll show you over there. So as you can see over here, this NFT has been minted. One second, just refresh the page. Okay, so these are all the metadata. So you can see over here, we have the product purchase date, the expiry date, which is second, as we had set it to 1 day. And this is the name of the order and product ID and the serial number. So coming back to the site, as I can show you all, we have actually placed the same image for all the NFTs, which we can actually improve, and we can put the product image as well later on. But for the testing reasons, we have done this. So now you can see this product actually get placed before itself and it shows invalid. So now if I click on invalid, it will automatically detect that the warranty is invalid and has expired, and it will call for a burn. So now if I confirm it, and I'll refresh the page now. So you can see that successfully that NFT has been deleted from the wallet over here. So to go about burning this NFT, we initially had two plans in mind. We implemented Chainlink Keeper, which is an automation tool for calling smart contracts. With the help of this, it automatically deleted the NFTs after a particular time on expiry. But this is a really tedious task to set it up for each and every product. So to make it more simple for the admin side, we went ahead with this plan which we showed you recently. This deletes the warranty from the user's wallet on checking validity of the warranty or not. Also, we have added a check ownership button as well, so that users can check the authenticity of their token. So when we click this button, the user has to sign a signature with his wallet address, private key, public key, and a message, which will be then validated from our end. So I'll go ahead over here. So now the user has to be signing this with this message. And this message will then be validated. And we can see over here, it has been proved. So this is the basic block diagram of the entire process, what goes on. And it is one of the best methods to prove ownership of any token available. All right.
Hi, I am Nitish. From now, I will be taking over from here. So I will demonstrate how we are implementing AutoDK function. So currently, Saishwar has explained about the ownership, how we can check the ownership. Now we will explain about proof of concept of AutoDK NFT. So there was a one Chainlink Keeper. So now we will be using Chainlink Keeper to schedule our revoke function. So smart contract, we have implemented one function that is a revoke function. So that is a function that admin can call. Explain about how Chainlink Keeper works for the AutoDK function. So I already explained about that revoke function that we have implemented in our smart contract. Now there was that now keepers we have to implement keepers. So currently we have implemented time-based trigger keepers. There was two types of keeper: time-based and action-based. So since the our NFT system should be decay after some particular time, so we have implemented trigger time-based keepers. So now there was one function that should be called after a particular time, and this is the token ID that we have to revoke. So for example, I have given 10. And when we click next, so we have to schedule the cron job. Cron job is we have to give the time, and after that specific time, that function will automatically run, and our NFT will auto decay. So this is the proof of concept. Also, we have worked lots on that proof of concept, but due to lack of time, we have not implemented in the full scale. So here we can see that we thought like there was some predefined cron jobs, or we can self-define our cron jobs. So these are the method how we can define our cron expressions. So for example, now if I schedule like every 15 minutes. So after every 15 minutes, we can see that revoke function will be called. So this is the proof of concept of the auto decay. And so far, we have so much implemented about that.
This is Saishwar again. So after this, we'll be giving you a basic walkthrough of the smart contract which we have implemented. So here you can see the major three functions of our smart contract are safe mint, burn, and revoke function. So the safe mint function is used to mint the NFTs to the user's address safely. So you can see over here, these are all the code related to the safe mint function. The burn function is used to burn the token from the user's account, and revoke function can be called by the admin anytime, which will revoke the NFT and will burn the NFT automatically. So that's it about a basic walkthrough of the smart contract. Now getting back to our site, for the bonuses part of this project, we have implemented gamification for the site, which is a retro zone. As many of you know, many people love to play these old-fashioned games. So for all those audiences, we have built this. So I'll just show you an example. Let's say we play Space Invaders, which is a really very famous game. So let's say we can play this over. This is the short. Alright, so we'll play this much and we'll end it. So just to show you all, we credit space coins, which are another loyalty tokens to the users are here. These space coins can be used to get discounts on checkouts, etc. So this will encourage more users to come on the platform and will increase the platform engagement over here. So for that reason, we have added this feature. So that's it from our part over here. And we thank you all for giving us this wonderful opportunity to take part in this amazing hackathon. We got to learn a lot of things. And that's it. Thank you.